Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the secret pleasure chest Crimson Dream. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the Crimson Dream set. You can treat yourself and your partner to this exciting BDSM set. In this 8-piece set you will find various bondage and S&M products for a thrilling night in the bedroom. The set is very suitable for couples who are perhaps interested in BDSM but don't have much experience. The box consists of a bondage rope which is 5 meters long, a ball gag which is adjustable, a flogger with a handle and a loop as well, very stimulating, nipple clamps with bells, a collar and leash, again the collar is adjustable, an eye mask with an elastic backing for the perfect fit, a paddle with a loop for easy control, and last but not least a pair of handcuffs which are also adjustable as well. Perfect for beginners and to explore BDSM. And that's the secret pleasure chest Crimson Dream. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.